Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking.
Please introduce yourself.
Well, first of all, my name is Nurul Hasib, and for the audience and the listeners, I would like to tell you that I'm your father, and as well as I'm working on this YouTube channel on which we're going to upload this video on. The channel name is English Club GK, and now you can move on to the next question.
What did you enjoy most about being a dad and also least?
Okay, well, it's there's so many things I just can't. It's very hard to put them in a video because we spent so much time together the whole day. I mean, we travel together as well as we spend study time, we spend games time together. Like we go for sports as well, we go for parks, and sometimes it gets you get tired of tired of sticking to the same routine. Otherwise, there is nothing I can say that I feel bored about being a father, or otherwise, I enjoy everything, every single minute of spending time with you.
Are there things you wish you had done differently as a father?
Yes, a couple of things because it's quite personal. Yes, but a lot of people who are watching this video know that I've traveled to two countries before. So I wish I had taken you along with me because the kind of exposure and the kind of experience I've had over there, seeing the children over there. I wish you could have met them over there, or you could have joined me on the journey. Having being board on a plan on a flight with me. That's a unique experience. Could have been for us together. Otherwise, Alhamdulillah, I don't regret anything.
In what ways are we alike and in what ways are we different?
Alike, yes, of course. You are just like me because you're my daughter, and you copy me. You imitate me in so many different ways. And yes, we are different because you are a different gender. I'm male and you're a female, so that's obvious. And please, next question.
Why did you marry my mother?
Yes, well, it's kind of tricky because your mother was she spent half of her childhood in Pakistan and then her teenagers in England, and then she moved back to Pakistan, and then we met. And yes, we were family friends initially, and then we moved on to our relationship got stronger as we kept talking to each other, and then our families eventually decided to got us married.
Is is there anything you ever wanted to tell me but have not?
No, there are pretty much no secrets because we don't have separate rooms. And yes, I do have yes, ambitions and as well as good wishes for you that I mostly don't share with you. That how keen I am about your future and how optimistic I am about you. Sometimes you don't feel that how great a child you are. Sometimes you don't have to be very much open to your child. Yes, these are you are very special to me.
What is the secret to raising a good kid?
I think the bond between you and the child is very important, like how much quality time you spend with each other as well as how much you enjoy each other's company is very important. It's not just that you just scold your child or you beat you be harsh to the child. You have to be sweet because children are very important to your life as a father. You're very pretty much incomplete about your child without your child.
Is there anything you regret not having asked your parents?
No, we because we live in a joint family system, so we talk on pretty much regular basis and very frequently we meet. We sit together, we have dinner, lunches together, and we also travel together. There is nothing I regret not having asked my parents.
Do you think today's fathers have it harder, easier, or just different?
I think it could be different compared to the previous generations, but yes, it's very easy today because we are always children and parents are always connected on social media these days as well. So the bond is very strong these days. I think it's easy to be a father in today's age.
What do you want to make sure that my children and grandchildren will remember about you?
I think they must remember about me that how much I loved my child as as a father. How much time I wanted to spend with them. How much time I wanted to hang out with them. You know the secrets. You know all the backstory because we travel a lot together. And the kind of chats we have, the kind of conversations we have, and the way you take selfies with me, and the way you ask me to take your photo or make our videos together, as well as the way you express your desires to play games with me. You insist me that let's just play together. And thank you so much. I think these are the questions you had shown me that you're going to ask me in the interview, and it was a pleasure answering you because it was the first time the way you asked such kind of questions, and I hope you would be able to understand what I've said in the video. And thank you so much.